Brock Lawn and Pest Control was the first to bring this area Quality Pro certified technicians.
And now we've taken it up a notch. Our technicians are now Quality Pro Green certified.
So all of us at Brock take extra steps to make every treatment as environmentally sensitive as possible.
The health of your family and our environment are our top priorities. With Quality Pro Green training, we'll stay on top of all eco-friendly advancements.
Think green? Just call the guys in the yellow trucks.
And go green by supporting your rescue recycling program.
Dependability. Brock Lawn and Pest Control has been keeping generations of Bay County families pest and termite free since 1968. Commitment. At Brock, we set the standard. Every season, every home or business, every job. Trust. Brock Lawn and Pest Control gives peace of mind, knowing that our people, working for a great company, stand behind a great job. Every time, no exceptions. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Quality. When you want the best, turn to the best. Brock Lawn and Pest Control. Got bugs? Just call the guys in the yellow trucks.